Good morning students. So we have discussed in previous classes the first two parts of this module 3. We'll move on with some other concepts related to this. Now let's understand. We have already seen the principles laid down by the Supreme Court and the different type of the emergencies we have discussed. Now financial emergency, Article 360. What is a financial emergency under Article 360? President can proclaim a financial emergency if financial stability or credit of India or any part thereof is threatened. This proclamation must be approved by the Parliament within 2 months. The type of the emergency has not been declared so far. In India, Prime Ministers and Council of Ministers. The President of India is a constitutional executive head, and the real executive authority of the Union is exercised by the Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers. India has adopted a cabinet system of government. Article 74 of the Constitution lays down that there shall be a Council of Ministers, the Prime Minister at the head of the office to advise the Prime Minister of who shall in exercise of his function act in accordance with such advice. The principle of the Prime Minister has not yet been proved by the Constitution. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President, as we know. Generally, the President has no choice in appointment of the Prime Minister and invites a leader of the majority of the party from Lok Sabha for the office. Qualification and appointment of the Prime Minister. He must be a citizen of India, shall be appointed by the President in accordance with the well-established parliamentary practice of inviting the leaders of the majority party in Lok Sabha. President has discretionary power when no party of the coalitions commands majority in the Lok Sabha to be appointed as Prime Minister. Must be a member of either of the House of Parliament. If he is not, he must become within 6 months if his appointment and leader of the majority of the party or one who enjoys the majority support in the Lok Sabha. The term for the Prime Minister theoretically holds office duration during the pleasure of his presidentship or president. Retirements. Actually, the Prime Minister stays in the office as long as he enjoys the confidence of the Parliament. The normal term is the 5 years, but it is automatically reduced if the House is dissolved earlier. Power of legislative and executive powers. Legislative power fixes the program of the Parliament, makes important policy statements in Parliament, and defends the policies of the government in the Parliament. Director of the Foreign Policy and Director of the Indian Economy and leads the Lok Sabha and recommends dissolution of the Lok Sabha. So let's continue the next class. Thank you.